Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Harbor Freight. We're going to be looking at all the tool deals that they have this week. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy similar tools like this, make tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribers and likes. Alright, entering the store, we got the new magnetic trays. It's a 6-inch. These are really nice trays. Seems like they're powder coated. These are really nice trays. Definitely, they got the colors now for your choice of your toolbox, so you can match your toolbox. But they got 4 colors, so we'll go over them in a little bit more detail and later on this video. And they got the auto defroster heater, $12.99. I don't know if this works or not. If you guys have any of these items in this video, let me know down in the comment section if you do like them, if you do not like them. That way other people can find out whether to purchase those or not. So you got some lights there for $59.99. Looks like color changing lights. And then you got the dolly there for $10. They're actually $11. Then you got some impact drivers here, or impact wrenches from Earthquake. And then I believe this one's on sale for $94, the kit. So check it out if you're interested on that. I was thinking for the longest time to get something like this. The only downside about that is they only have a few tools in their lineup, so it's kind of like a waste of the battery. They got $54 on sale, the 5 amp hour battery. This is a great lineup to get into. And then they got the 3 amp hour battery for $42.49. That's the 3 amp hour battery. I do have some of these tools. These batteries are really nice. $22.49 for the 1.5 amp hour battery. That's it right there, pretty compact. That's good for the drills and the impact drivers. Mostly the bigger tools will require a 3 amp hour battery or bigger. Definitely recommend that 5 for the bigger power tools, the outdoor power tools and all that. Then you got the fast charger for $29.90 and the regular charger for $22.99. Yeah, I definitely recommend you guys get the fast charger. The regular charger is way too slow. I mean, if you don't have an urgency of getting that tool to be working, should be fine. You got $64 for a hammer drill, $64.99. So it is a kit, so it does include a battery, a charger, and a bag. And then you got an impact driver there for $64.99. And then the Inside Track Club membership, they do have a screwdriver on sale. And then you got Hercules, so a 5 amp hour battery for $64.99. I do have a couple of these batteries. They are great batteries with high quality. They are Samsung cells, just to let you know. You got the screwdriver, $39.99. You got the reciprocating saw, $89.99. And the circular saw, $89.99. It's a really nice circular saw. It's a 6.5, I believe. So definitely check it out. There's a lot of metal in the saw, not a lot of plastic, which is a good thing. And then you got the rafter hook there on the top. And then you got the reciprocating saw, same thing. It's a really nice looking reciprocating saw, and it does have that rafter hook on the side there, just like the professional level tool. So $89.99, and they do have a sale that if you buy a tool, a charger, and a tool, a charger, and a battery, you get like $25 off. So I guess it's a good thing. And those are the 12 volts. So those are the 12 volts. The screwdriver on the right, the impact driver on the left. And that's the deal I was telling you guys about. So $25 instantly when you pair up any of those 3 items. $59.99 for dual charger with the USB. All the chargers from this line are 12 volts and 20 volts, just to let you know. That's the screwdriver. They fit really nice on the hand. That's one thing I gotta say about this line. It fits really nice on the hand. That's has 2 speeds, I guess, the screwdriver. And that's the impact driver. I do have that one. That thing's a beast. It's a brushed unit, but still it has a lot of power. Definitely a professional level tool. You got the new Bauer Miter saws. That's a 15-inch dual bevel compound miter saw for $219.99. Guys, I'm pretty sure they're gonna have sales on these. These are great miter saws. The feature to have on these that these have and others don't is that they have that second lever on the front. You guys see the second lever to the right? Well, that's the bevel on the front of the saw. So you don't have to reach all the way to the back. They have the bevel on the front of the saw. That is one plus about this line of miter saws. No other miter saws, and if there is, there's only a few of them out there. But this is one of the only models or brands or from Harbor Freight that does have the bevel and the angle on the front. So they have both on the front. And then you got a chop saw there, or miter saw. 15 amp 12 inch for $199.99. It's a really nice base, really nice work on that. And then they got the Admiral. This is probably one of my favorites, budget-friendly saws. So $199, they obviously goes on sale for like $179 or $170. It does include a blade, so that's one thing I like about that. And it does have that feature that I was telling you guys. It has the dual bevel on the front there. And the only one that doesn't have the bevel on the front is this one, but this is the professional level. I believe you get a 1 year money back guarantee on this. So definitely check it out if you're a professional. I would definitely go for this Hercules. This is probably one of my dream saws here. This and the DeWalt and this very comparable. But definitely this is one of the dream saws that I want to get. You got the stand there, the Hercules stand. Alright, here's the save $20 instantly when you pair up or when you put them together, the tool, the battery, and the charger. You got the 2000 lumen light there for $49.99. You got the fan there, $34.99. You got the impact wrench. I believe it's a 3/8 impact wrench for $79.99. It's a little pricey, but where it saves you is the batteries. The batteries are very cheap, as you guys did see they're on sale. So if you need to buy extra batteries, you're pretty much good to go on that. It's a great line to get into. They have a whole bunch of tools. This is a great DIY line. This is for the prosumer, or no, I wouldn't say prosumer. I would say mostly DIY. That's the impact driver. Works really good. I do have that one too. $64.99. Later on, I will be making videos comparing that to other impact drivers. And you got the benchtop blower there, or the inflator. Those are the batteries that are on sale. The charger, the regular charger. Then the Hercules, they got a $44.99 for a 2200 lumen light. Then they got another light here for $59.99. Does have the knob on the top, on and off. They got some really nice lights. And they do have a sale for the Bauer batteries. So if you buy a 5 amp hour, 3 amp hour, and a 1.5, you can get it for $104.99. And they got the inside track clip sale, $49.99 for a drill driver with the battery and the charger. And then save the $25 if you buy any of these tools. You get a fan for $39.99. $54.99 for the, I believe, that impact driver. And the drill driver is on sale on the inside track clip. So $59.99 for the bare tool and Hercules. $49.99 for the impact driver. And then, yeah, if you guys got a project going on, if you're a prosumer level, if you're a professional, and you're going to be drilling into concrete, or, you know, breaking concrete every now and then, Harbor Freight is a way to get a great tool at a decent price. On this one, you get a 3-in-1 rotary hammer kit, $109. That's definitely a great deal. I did remove my tile, my tile, and I did demolition with my kitchen with one of those Bauer hammer drills and rotary hammers. So if you guys want to check out that video, it's an old video. I believe it's about a year old, or a few months old there. But if you guys want to check it out, it's on my channel. I'll see if I can link it up above for you guys. But yeah, they got a great line here. Hercules 319. It's a 12 pound. Then you got a 35 pound demolition hammer, which is a beast, 529. A breaker hammer kit, that's a 70 pound. Then the gloves, guys, they're so ridiculously expensive. I don't know why they're so expensive. I'm not gonna buy them from here anymore. I used to there was a coupon out there for like $5.99. Just remember that back in the good old days. But you're not gonna see that again. Got a 7 at 4.5 professional angle grinder for $39.99 with a slide switch. So that's the angle grinder on the top. I thought it was the bottom one, but it's the one on the top. It's a really good deal for this Hercules. Hercules is their professional line, so I will definitely check it out. It looks real nice. It says 7 amp motor, 4.5 angle grinder, small angle grinder. Then this is a new oscillating tool that they have, multi-tool. It's a brushless 20 volt lithium ion tool only, constant power under load. It says brushless motor, 45% more runtime. Included multi-tool accessories, so it does come with some blades and some sanding pads and stuff. So definitely check it out. Unfortunately I just purchased a new multi-tool from another brand, and I'm not able to purchase that for around the same price. So, and this is a little throwaway kit for the truck. So if you could just throw it in the truck and leave it there in case you need it. $5.99. If you got a few cars, buy one for each car. Maybe pair it up with the screwdrivers and some pliers and stuff like that, and it should be good to go. If you need to lend that little tool bag or whatnot, if you need to lend it, then you're pretty much, don't worry about it. You're only going to be out of $6 there. So you got a solar rope lights, $7.99. That's it right there. Great for the decoration in the garden. And then you got this is like a lantern, a 1250 lumen portable lantern for $14.99. That's really bright there. And they got this for the Inside Track Club people, $39.99. I personally don't have an Inside Track Club membership. I believe that I shouldn't be paying to get a discount. That's just the way I think. 200 lumen, a flip light, $1.99. That's a pretty good deal there. That's the middle one out of those 3 white ones. So there's the flip on the middle. That's a great light. I have it on my closet when it's dark. $8.99 for this 588 lumen light. I think it's a tactical light. Definitely check it out. Anything from Quantum or Braun, these are great lights. There's the green one right there for $8.99 too. So definitely check them out. They got some great 3 hours and 24 minutes runtime. And then they got this. This is a great light. I still have mine from like 2 or 3 years ago, back when I started this channel. So this one's $34.99. Usually it goes on sale for like $24. So definitely check it out when it's on sale. Then I also got this light. This light's great. Actually, last night I was grilling some grilling, and I put this light up, and basically it's a really bright light there. It lasts for a few hours. I mean, it's not the best runtime on a small battery, but it also helps because it's also a power bank, and a lot of people, when they need it, they'll just grab it and use it as a power bank too. So these Doyo knives are really nice, the utility knives. Then they got the breaker bar, a 1/2 inch breaker bar, a 25 inch, $49.99. So if you need a professional level breaker bar. But you know what, guys, there's another breaker bar I'll show you guys right now, later on this video, just a few minutes down the road. You got $169 for this Quinn. Let me know, you guys, if you guys have any of the digital torque wrenches, which one would you recommend? I need to get one for this channel because I need to measure a lot of torque on some of the tools. So let me know down in the comment section if you guys recommend any torque wrenches. I'm probably going to get the gear wrench or the Quinn or the Cobalt or the Craftsman. I don't know about the Husky one. So I'm within those brands. So let me know which one's better. They got this awesome deal here. $17.99 for 25-inch professional breaker bar. This is from the Pittsburgh. This is a great breaker bar, guys. You can't go wrong with this one. It has enough leverage. The 25-inch. This will definitely get you where you need to go. I do have this. I have a few years already with mine, or a few months I would say with mine. Not a few years, but I would say about a year already. And they also got a lot of selection of ratchets. Make sure you guys buy the red handle ones. The black and red, those are the better ones that they have. If you buy the green ones in black, they suck. So just to let you know. And you got some more. If you guys see any sales with those socket sets there, make sure you guys, if you guys need them, pick them up, because they're some of them are good quality, especially the Pittsburgh Pros and the Quinns. You got a 0.5 multi-purpose sprayer, $4.99. You can use this as a weed sprayer. I'm gonna be using this as a pesticide sprayer. So I ended up purchasing this. I'll let you guys. I'll probably make a video of it and let you guys know what's going on with this thing, if it's worth it or not. But yeah, I'm gonna use it as a pesticide. It's a half a gallon, 2 quarts, like a handheld smaller sprayer there. Then they got a garden hose here. It says heavy duty, $17.99. I personally haven't used any of these. I don't know if they're good or not. Let me know in the comment section if you guys use them. But what I've used is this one. This one sucks. It leaks all over the place. It's a mess. Do not buy it. Don't touch it. Don't buy it. It sucks. I think this one's a little better, but from the back, it did break from the back. Eventually, it's gonna break if you put the lock on. So, but yeah, none of those two are worth buying from this place. But this one's a really good deal. It's $369.99, 3,100 psi. Anything that's a Predator engine, it has a Predator engine, generators, power, pressure washers, augers, whatever. It's definitely a solid piece of equipment. Predator is a great brand. Make sure you guys check them out. You guys see the price difference here. So $349 for this 2,000 psi, and then $369 for the 3,000 psi. So definitely check it out. It's worth it. Then you got this 2,000 psi. This is one of the newer ones that they have from Bauer. So like I said, anything that's a Predator, check it out. Obviously, it's one of the better brands that they have in this store, or on this Harbor Freight. So $199.99 for this Bauer. It does come with the reel and a really nice handle there, so you can carry this around if you got the space. If you guys don't got the space, then obviously you have to look for somewhere else. Then they got the magnetic parts tray here, different colors, red, green, and blue, and they seem like to be powder coated. From the looks of them, I don't know if they are or not, or just painted, but from the looks, I think they are powder coated. You got the chrome there for $6.99. So definitely check them out. And they do have the matching matching creepers, $34.99. So definitely check them out. And then they got this. This is a wheel jack dock trailer for the trailer. So definitely check it out. They got some great stuff here. And they got this winch for $59.99. It's a 2,000 pound. It's a Badland. Badland's a great brand. They got some great tools. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. I'm not going to make this video any longer. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs your platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one.